Welcome. Subscribe now to get our top-notch, carefully researched videos. After watching each video, I invite you to share your answers to the questions I post in the comments section. Can't wait to read your feedback. Today we will gain insight into the benefits of drinking half a cup daily to lower cortisol, reduce belly fat, and help with depression in 2023. There are several drinks that have been found to have potential benefits for cortisol levels, belly fat, and depression. It's important to remember that drinking a single substance will not solve the problem, and that it's important to have a holistic approach to health and well-being. One such drink that has been found to have potential benefits is green tea. Green tea contains a compound called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been found to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies have shown that EGCG can help to reduce cortisol levels and promote weight loss, particularly in the abdominal area. Green tea also contains caffeine, which can improve mood and reduce feelings of depression. Another drink that has been found to have potential benefits is Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice contains high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help to lower cortisol levels and improve sleep. Lack of sleep and high cortisol levels are linked to weight gain, especially in the abdominal area. Tart cherry juice also contains melatonin, which is a hormone that regulates sleep. Water is also an essential drink for maintaining overall health and well-being. Drinking enough water can help to reduce bloating and improve digestion, which can also help to reduce belly fat. Staying hydrated is also important for maintaining healthy cortisol levels. Another drink that has been found to have potential benefits is ashwagandha tea. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that can help to lower cortisol levels. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can also help to reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Aloe vera juice is also a drink that can help to protect the liver from toxins and also have potential benefits for cortisol levels. Aloe vera juice contains compounds that can help to reduce inflammation and improve liver function. It's important to remember that drinking a single substance will not solve the problem. To maintain optimal health and well-being, it's important to have a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques. It's also important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or supplement regimen. In conclusion, drinking certain drinks on a daily basis can have potential benefits for cortisol levels, belly fat, and depression. Green tea, Tart cherry juice, water, ashwag. What did you learn in this video? Please leave a comment below, and I will answer it. Also, let me know what topic you would like us to cover in the next video.